this is my project. My aims for this project was I hope this will be very useful in the future, and the way I produced this was really fascinating and it really inspired me a lot. I hope it will help a lot of people. I decided to make this to help like visualists or people with low vision or sightless people. I hope it will be very useful for them. The whole idea about this project was ultrasonic sensors. From 50 centimeters, this will send, this will receive, and this goes to this whole circle, and well, this will go off and it will start shaking. The front one will make sound from 50 centimeters. This is the same as this one. These two are the same.